Greetings from Nova Auto Sale in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2022 Ford F-250 XLT four-wheel drive crew cab. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. Let's give it a quick walk around. Really nice condition. Beautiful shape. Four-wheel drive. Beautiful condition. Okay, let's go ahead and take a closer look. Front bumper's in beautiful shape, very nice condition. Take a look at the headlamps, also in beautiful shape. Grill's in beautiful condition. Hood's in really nice shape, look at that, very nice. Super clean throughout. Take a look at the front fender. On the passenger side, beautiful shape, super clean. Front door on the passenger side, also in amazing condition. Rear door on the passenger side, also in beautiful shape, clean throughout. Taking a look at the bedside on the passenger side, beautiful shape, very nice condition. Super clean. Walk around the back here. Tailgate looks good. It's the backup camera right there. It's got your tow hitch, your plugs. Very nice. Take a look at the bedside on the driver's side, beautiful condition. Rear door on the driver's side, also in beautiful shape. Very nice. Front door on the driver's side, beautiful condition, really nice shape. Front fender on the driver's side, beautiful condition, very nice. Take a look at the windshield, really in amazing shape, no chips or cracks on it, super clean. Let's take a look at the roof real quick. Roof's in beautiful shape, very nice, super clean. Okay, that pretty much concludes our walk around here. Stay tuned, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the interior, then we'll take it for a test drive. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in amazing condition, super clean throughout. Look at controls there for the windows and the mirrors. Power locks, really nice storage there on the bottom. Very nice condition. Taking a look here at the driver's seat. Driver's seat's in beautiful shape. Cloth is in great condition. 6 passenger, this is really nice truck. Rugs are clean, in great shape. Steering wheel, dashboard, everything looks amazing. Take a look at the liner on this one. Brand new. Really nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side front door panel. Door panel's in amazing condition. Take a quick look here. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Power window control. Power locks. Good storage down there. Take a look at the passenger seat. Beautiful condition. Super clean. Rugs are clean. Very nice shape. Really great condition. Okay, now we're taking a look at the rear driver's side door panel. Beautiful condition throughout. Very nice. Really great shape. Take a look at the rear seats. Very nice condition. Super clean. Great shape. It's got a power plug here for the rear passengers. Really nice feature there. Beautiful condition. Take a look at the liner. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side rear door panel. Door panel's in beautiful shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Take a look at the bottom here. Got some storage there. Really nice. Take a look at the rear seats. Beautiful condition throughout. Very nice. For the rugs are in great shape. Really nice condition. Super clean. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and start this baby up. Let me show you the key fob on it right here. Lock, unlock, panic. It's got that forward folding keys that go like that. Opens right up. So we're going to start it up right now. Here we go. Fantastic. Started right up perfect. No issues at all. Let's take a closer look here. This one has 42,784 miles. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the features on this one. This is the information center, volume control for the radio, Bluetooth controls, cruise control, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, controls for the lights, power locks there. This has got a tilt steering wheel here. You can adjust the steering wheel on it. Look at the radio is really nice. These Fords have really improved the systems. This is for audio, and they're touchscreen, so you could add your phone. You could connect to iPhone, iPad. Really cool. So it has somebody in there, the previous owner. Apps, connect Bluetooth. Really nice. Look at that. Amazing. Find more apps. You can go here like that. Click in there. You have to enable sync. You're going to need the internet off your phone to do that, I guess. But beautiful. It works fantastic. Here we go. So this is a 4-wheel drive. Here you go. Got the controls here for the radio on top and media there. AC controls there. USB. 12-volt power plug. Really nice. 12 volt. Your 110 there in case you want to use that. It's got your books inside there. Really nice. Dashboard is in beautiful condition. Let's take a closer look here. Really amazing shape. Fantastic. Looks really, really nice. So this seats 6 passengers. 3 in the front, 3 in the back. You got this thing folds down here, which is really nice. Beautiful condition. Up above here, you have a storage for your sunglasses, your courtesy lights. Liner's in beautiful condition. Really nice. Beautiful condition. Okay, that pretty much covers it. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take it for a little test drive. Okay, we're all set. Take it for a little test drive. Here we go. Really nice drive, super smooth. Brakes feel good, stops on a dime. Very nice. We got the light here for a second, and we'll continue our test drive. Really nice, super quiet. Here we go. Super nice drive. Brakes feel good. Steering wheel's nice and soft. Really nice drive. Drives super nice. Okay, let me go ahead and show you the backup camera here since we're finishing our test drive. So as soon as you put it in reverse, automatically, backup camera shows up there. And this one, you could actually see the lines, it turns and shows you which way it's going. Fantastic. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at the bed, tires, and engine compartment. Really amazing condition. Look at this, brand new. Bed liner's in great shape. Very nice. Super clean throughout. Beautiful condition. Let's close it up here. You got your backup camera right there. Got your connections for the trailer. Little lock for the spare tire. Hitch. Very nice. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful condition. Very nice. Really in nice shape. Look at this. Really amazing condition. Super, super clean. Really nice shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. On the driver's side, tire's in amazing condition. Looks really nice. Really nice looking tire. Rims are clean and in beautiful condition. Super nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the driver's side. Tire's in beautiful shape. Look at that. Really nice condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Look at that. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear passenger side tire. Tire's in beautiful condition. Look at that. Really nice shape. Looks outstanding. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape also. Look at that. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire's in beautiful condition, brand new. Look at that. Really nice shape. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Very nice. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2022 Ford F-250 4x4 crew cab. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information, novaautosales.net. Thanks for watching.